Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. How to draw a cartoon Hulk. So this is how I created my pop art Incredible Hulk. I have quite a few of these out right now. I'll be demonstrating them in the days and weeks ahead. But right now I'm just going to get the basic structure, my little action line, and just building the areas for our Incredible Hulk. I got the hands, the chest area, the legs, and the head right now. And now I'm just going to begin to sketch out where the arms are going to be. Again, this is just a sketch, the preliminary, and then you can still make the final changes or alterations later while inking and coloring. All right, I'm working on this chest area. I had fun doing these. I did these years ago, so this is going to be a new one. All right, his torso, get his legs there. Let's work on his belt, his pants. All right. Now, if you notice, I'm just taking the very simple strokes sometimes. Some of them are quick and some of them are a little sketchier. I want you to really pay attention to how I'm trying to show you sketching. It's not just always holding the line and dragging it to your thoughts. Sometimes like really quick, boom, knock that one out, or a little bit tighter. Might go over a couple of times. All right, let's get the other pants on there, the other leg. Building this up. Yeah, after I pencil this all in, I would actually take into Illustrator, ink it in there as a vector, and bring it to Photoshop as a raster, and then I start airbrushing it in there. You'll see the final one at the end of the video again. And there's his feet, just rounded, just a very stylized pop art. Little bubble head. I have a whole bunch of them. All the characters basically have their round heads. Okay, let's work on his hands here, his fingers. Yeah, like he's like really mad. He didn't get his ice cream for dessert. That's why he's really upset. Someone stole it on him. I think Thor actually took it from him. Okay, and it gets the other hand going. Okay, there's the thumb. I want my ice cream back. Okay, that's the little chest area there. Okay, his stomach, muscles, sides, okay. Top of his chest. Okay, let's begin with his face now. Let me get that angry eyes. Okay, his nose. Once again, this is just a version that I just created, very stylized. I had a lot of people enjoying it when I went to a Comic-Con, when I was a guest artist. Okay, let's get his brow. Okay. Yep. You know, those little speed lines again, as you can tell. All right. And more speed lines right there, a little darker. All right, getting more. Let's get his mouth there. It's wide open and angry. Arr. I want my ice cream. All right, a little indication of a tongue in the background there. That lip. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, good. All right, that shade in the mouth, a little bit inside there. All right. His teeth, I gave him kind of nice teeth. I didn't make them crooked. All right, let's get the head a little bit straighter, a little rounded more. A little area where I am going. Okay, let's get the other side. Oops, a little bit too much there. There we go. There we go. Okay. Dropping an ear on that side. Okay. And let's get the bottom chin there. Okay. Very simple, quick. All right, let's get the hair down now. All right, very spiky. Almost manga-like, but I'm going to make it like a patch of grass. green grass on top of the Hulk. Okay, let's get the other, but okay, keep on going. Yep. Just about done with this one right now. And the last one. Okay, let's shade in that hair now. Just to separate. This is just not to be accurate. This is just to color in the dark areas possibly, or the shade in areas that are shadow. In this case, it's just Hulk's dark color hair. So it stands out more of a contrast. And there we go, there we go. And sketching it, that's not perfect, so you're overlapping. That's okay. Yep, sign it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and make sure you subscribe and check out our other videos as well. Thanks. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.